Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and today I know it may not seem possible, but I'm expanding my garden just a little bit more. So first guys, I just want to say big welcome to all of our new subscribers. Our channel is growing so much and it's been such an exciting journey, and I just want to say welcome. I'm Tiffany. I grow a small space desert garden in the middle of the city. Also, just to let you guys know, we do have an official sponsor for our next 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm gonna announce the sponsor in tomorrow's video, which is gonna be my next garden tour, but I'm really excited about this, guys. It's something that I really believe in, and it's something that I think is going to help a lot of gardeners, whether you have a small space or a large space, or you're just looking to expand things. It's going to help a lot of you guys. So I'm truly excited and truly grateful that the company is going to be sponsoring us in our next giveaway. So today's video though, I'm gonna be expanding my small space garden. Now I know you guys are probably like, Tiffany, where? Where? But I have a plan. So I went to the Dollar Tree, and every time I'm looking for just creative, cool things, I always go to Dollar Tree because it's like, if it doesn't work, it was $1, and you're like, okay, well, you know, it was $1. But I found these. Now, these are hooks that can go right into the ground, and one of the things I was looking at is, in my garden, I have everything kind of spaced to where it gives enough room for the plants to grow. Well, there's space like in between those spaces, and I was thinking, well, maybe I could plant something there. But like for instance, with my okra, if I plant something at the base of my okra, eventually the okra is going to shade it out. So I needed something to kind of use that space, but not be taken over. So this is perfect. It's a little hook, and what is even cooler about it is that the Dollar Tree also had these little buckets. And the little buckets have like a little ring on them so that then they'll hook right in. So I have a couple spaces that I have in mind for this, and I'm going to place them in there, and then I'm going to show you guys where I put them. Alright guys, they're in there. And I think this is super cute. I love it. Okay, let me show you. Alright, so I don't know, this could be just a total garden nerd moment, but I think those are adorbs. And I'm excited. I don't know what I should plant in there, so if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below what you think. I'm gonna go to the garden center and see if there's some transplants that I can find in there, but if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I'm open to some. But I want to encourage you guys to always try and find little spaces in your garden to add something more. Not everything needs to go down in the ground, and not everything needs to be like a pot or something, you know, but just find a space, because you can always extend your garden space and always extend things that you can be providing more food for your family or for yourself by just finding some of the spaces that are unused. So I encourage you guys to walk through your garden, see where you can find like a couple little spaces, and maybe add a little something to it. But until next time, grow yourself a garden, because even a small space can provide you with tons of food. Alright, bye guys.